The ECOVACS WINBOT W2 PRO is equipped with a remarkable 3 nozzles wide-angle spray technology that significantly enhances cleaning efficiency by ensuring thorough dirt removal in a single sweep. With its intelligent path planning and upgraded brushless motor, the WINBOT W2 PRO optimizes cleaning routes, adapting to various window types and increasing efficiency by 30%. Safety is a priority with the WINBOT W2 PRO, which incorporates a comprehensive 10-level protection system that includes hardware and software measures to prevent accidents and ensure window hygiene. The innovative steady climbing system of the WINBOT W2 PRO utilizes a high-resistance rubber belt to maintain stable movement, reducing slippage and enhancing climbing performance on wet surfaces. Its advanced edge detection technology allows the WINBOT W2 PRO to adjust cleaning routes with precision, making it ideal for frameless and reflective windows, regardless of lighting conditions. Designed to perform impeccably both indoors and outdoors, the WINBOT W2 PRO is a smart solution for achieving spotless windows day or night.